Hi everybody, Miss Abbott here, your friendly neighborhood teacher librarian. Today I'd like to give you a virtual tour of an app you can use to read books on your Chromebook, your laptop, or whatever it is that you're using. So you can see I've signed into my Google account already, which you need to do in order to be able to use this program. And then I'm going to click on the Google waffle and scroll all the way down to the bottom. At the bottom, you should see an option called Sora by Overdrive. And when I click on Sora, it's going to bring me into a library system that's run by the Newfoundland and Labrador English School District. When Sora opens up, you'll see that there are a number of collections available in featured boxes. You'll see a popular subject area that you can use to choose things according to category. And then you'll see other featured sections below that. It is an important one to know that there are audio books available through this system, as well as regular books for everybody to choose from. Back up at the top, I'm going to choose this one called Young Adult Fiction because that's probably the most popular selection for our school. And you can see that they have subcategories like fantasy and romance where you can narrow down if you're interested in something particular. When a book is available for you to check out right away, it'll say borrow next to the book. If a book is already checked out, you can place a hold on it and the system will let you know when it's available for you to check out. There's also other settings you can use here. You can refine your search according to a number of different features. I like to use this preferences option over here on the side. And instead of seeing all of the books, if I need something right now, I'll change it to the available books, click apply. And now it's only going to show me the books that I can choose from and download right away. So let's say I'd like to download the Dirt Diary here. When I click on borrow, it's going to download that book directly to my account, and then I'm able to start reading. So it has a menu at the bottom and a menu in the top corner. The menu at the bottom just kind of lets you know where you are in the book. So as we scroll through the pages, you just click on the right side to turn a page and the left to go back, and you'll see that the pages are set up like a book, 2 pages facing each other, and you can just scroll your way through. The menu on the bottom will show you where you are, show you how many pages are left to the end of the chapter, those kinds of things. If you don't like it with 2 pages together, you can use this option in the top right to change it to a single page set up like this. You can also change other things like the size of the font. It could be, a little bit bigger, or you can make it a little bit smaller. You can also change the colors. You can make it high contrast. You can make it just black on white. I like this setting right here. And if you don't like the font that's there, you can actually change that too. So I can scroll right on down here and there are other options. Publisher's default is what the company thinks it should look like. You can change it to other things. This one called Open Dyslexic is really cool. It's a high readability font, which makes it easier to kind of focus on things. It's a really neat feature. I will pop it back to Publisher's default though before I head out and do the next thing. So when you're done with the book, you would just click close up in the top corner and it'll take you back to the Explore page. And now I got a new achievement today. It kind of gives you badges if you do certain things. So that's kind of cool. Oh, 2. Woohoo! There you go. You have a menu at the bottom. So home will take you to a page that shows you if there's any class assignments, if teachers are using it that way. The Explore page lets you browse the catalog. The one in the center will bring you right back to your book again. So you can click close to get out of that. Your shelf will show you what you've checked out. And then me is your profile. It tells you how many minutes you've read and all those things. So now I'm going to pop back to the Explore page and show you how you can access even more books than the ones that the Newfoundland Labrador English School District have available. If I'm back here on this page, I can go to these 3 little lines in the top corner and click on that. And you'll see this is my profile popping up again. Down here, there's a button for Add Library. And when I click on that, it lets me search for libraries that are available. And before I even get the word Newfoundland put in, I can access the Newfoundland and Labrador Public Library. When you click on that, and I've already done this, so I can't do it again, it'll let you add that library to your collection. And I can change that up here in the top corner and go to the public library system. To access the Newfoundland and Labrador Public Library System, you do need a library card because you have to enter your barcode and your PIN code. But everybody can get a public library card. It's free. It is available online at the website getthecard.nlpl.ca. And once you've signed up for that online, you can use it to log into the public library system through Sora. I'm able to access everything the public library has available, which includes a large selection of young adult fiction. And I'm going to scroll down through that and quickly download an audiobook to show you that when you download an audiobook, assuming I can find one, there we go, I'll borrow the house When you download an audiobook, it's going to set itself up like any other audio file on your computer. You'll be able to play, skip back, skip ahead. I hope you get a chance to check out the program. There's a lot of great options that are available here. And if you take a bit of time, you'll probably find something that you'd love to read.